There's a Cessna flying straight over my roof, like he's exiting, like the June 30th plane. And also, like yesterday when I went inside for water for 15 seconds, and the dude's like, opportunity, and he mobs my roof. So here's another one coming over the tree right here to have a synergistic effect with this guy. So one's right there and one's right here. Wow, they've really argued the point that I'm just a paranoid idiot, and that's why every single aircraft is going around pulsing and waving its tail. And these guys are just doing a little bit of buzzing. Oh, he's just a paranoid dumbass that way. Oh yeah, two planes might have flown by each other once, that's all I know. Nothing ever happened. He's an idiot.